What is the assembly process for membrane keypads? The assembly process for membrane keypads, also called membrane switches, involves layering thin, flexible films, typically polyester, PET, or polycarbonate, with printed conductive circuits, adhesives, spacers, and optional tactile elements like metal domes. The final product is a sealed, low-profile input interface that activates when pressure bridges the circuits. Key considerations include material choices for chemical resistance and durability, adhesive strength for the target surface, and whether tactile feedback or sealing IP rated is needed. The process is highly customizable but requires closing collaboration with a manufacturer for artwork, circuit layout, and tolerances. For more information, visit www.jcftechnology.com.